Hi guys, so it's me again, and I am playing Granny with one of my friends. Right, Lacey?
I have my own challenge.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
I actually do in real life.
No, you don't. I thought you got rid of it.
I did, but my dad's gonna do one on our. Why is this taking forever?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, packed an hour ago.
Anyways, I've already made some progress. I've already got the hammer! Woohoo!
Hey guys, look how creepy she is.
I'm not, I'm playing Granny on screen record right now. So they can't really see.
I know, I'm talking about you though.
I've seen how creepy she is.
Move it, bro.
Why do I feel like I'm choking myself right now?
No, watch out. Oh, they owned. Holy cow, don't push me, don't push me.
I don't think you
Did
can.
we make it? I think we made it.
Oh, screen capture is screen record, but they just can't hear anything.
Oh. That was close and he just got over.
I mean,
we have to find Builder Man.
unless you do something to it.
What is what we're gonna eat? We're gonna eat that French toast. Here we are.
Oh, dang it, the safe key.
Oh, I did something and I think that. What is it?
His office is upstairs.
Screen capture.
But you don't have a YouTube channel on that one, so it's pointless.
Anyone else? Then avoid them. We don't
you
want any
have
trouble.
I don't. On that one, I don't, but so it's pointless. Yeah, on this one. But on that, it's pointless.
I don't know what that is. But at least we can watch it.
Oh, look, I found it. Roof over here, guys. Over here. I don't want to go alone. Oh, we gotta find his office, not the roof.
No, she didn't. She just doesn't want me to have one on that one.
I don't need to follow. Why do you walk like that? I know where it is. We knew it was up there. Why do we have to go to his office? Whoa.
Oh, she probably just didn't want you to do it.
What happened to him? I have no idea.
I don't know. Ask her. Whipping key! Sorry.
You just sat on his head?
I just found the whipping key though.
What does she think? I don't know what I'm doing.
Yeah, probably. Cog, I don't really need that right now.
I knew it was you.
I'm not playing with Granny because Granny is really scary, right, Lacey? She just played with Granny and she got terrified.
Can't you see now that I captured Builder?
So if you don't like scary things, do not play this game. It's not worth getting scared.
What's your channel name?
Justin Cheston or whatever.
How?
I don't really know. It kind of made a random
Alright,
name.
you want it? Let's go. Oh, wait until he's tired. Don't
It
go
pretty
there.
much just made a random name.
Rain, I don't know. What is this? Viruses? Oh, what was that? Oh, watch out for the band hammers, guys. He's dropping band hammers. Oh man, this music. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my. I don't know what that is. Okay, yeah, more virus. Oh wait, is he down? Is he? Oh, ow. Yo, that took off half my health. Oh, I'm glad I have like unlimited. There you go. Get him. He's weak, guys. Come on. Attack.
Weapon key is in here, and then once we go down there, we can go get the special key.
No, I almost went off the building. Don't touch the builder, man. Don't touch him. No.
Oh, this is taking
Bro, we
forever.
gotta get away because I'll die.
It is.
Oh, it's just me and the
Are you just looking at reviews now?
I'm pretty sure I'm gonna die at some point here. How do I know where he's going?
It should take a little while.
They're gonna change direction. Alright, we got him. That's it. Come on, get him. Go. Pound him. Let's go. We're gonna have to do at least one more round. There's only two of us
I
now.
don't think you are
Oh!
going to play, but I will look at reviews.
Hey, no!
Okay, cool.
No. Don't touch him.
Cool.
I'm gonna get up. Wait, we did so much more damage last time. Okay, we gotta watch out for these things. They're so unpredictable.
So, if you're really into Granny, like YouTube channels and stuff, I totally recommend watching Think Noodles or FGTV. If you're wanting to watch FGTV on playing Granny, then search up FGTV Granny on YouTube. And if you want to watch Think Noodles play Granny, but you can't really find him playing Granny, just search up Think Noodles Granny on YouTube. And they're really funny and cool to watch. So I highly recommend it if you really like watching Granny and stuff.
What about Builder Man? I don't know.
Oh, he commented today and I went past it.
Hey!
I saw his review up here somewhere.
What happened? last thing I remember, John Doe come in my office. He took control over you, started banning every account.
Wait, Think Noodles did?
Yeah. Ooh, I found a one.
We just
Pretty
defeated him. You're safe
entertaining
now,
game.
okay?
Only problem
There's
was
a lot of friends on the way.
it's
Yeah,
constantly
yeah.
crashing.
What? I hit that.
Every time you play, it crashes around 5 to 10 times into it,
It's the
and
reset
there's no saving it, so you have to
It's
totally
not gonna bring
restart.
back everyone
Which is
left.
very
What are
annoying
you
and
waiting
pretty
for? Press it.
frustrating.
Press it. Press
What
it.
you're praying for
You gotta make
is
it dramatic
doing
with a
good
countdown,
other
man.
than that's
No way I remembered
a
everyone
good
in
game.
7 games.
That's Alyssa
It'd be cool if
Hanlock.
they did, though.
Yeah, I know,
Why do
but
we
I'm
have
reading
Thomas?
this. I just found a 1 star when I was going back up. It'd be a 5 star if this wasn't a problem, but if you can't ever win, because it can't.
I'm sorry if I told your name out loud.
There's no point in trying to play. Please fix this. Fix this problem. Review will be updated once fixed.
I mean, I haven't crashed yet, so it must have been fixed. I totally hit that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I have one more dart. If this fails, then I'm gonna have to start a new game, guys.
Okay, guys, I don't want to say anybody's name on this, like she accidentally did. So I'm going to read one, and I'm just going to find one. Okay.
Dude, that isn't even a name.
I know.
The last one isn't?
Yeah, but this one is kind of. So let's just call her,
Salila.
I was going to say Allie.
No, Salila.
Whatever. I love this game. It's so entertaining and great. Time killer. I haven't been able to find a good game that I actually like, but honestly, if it could be a little bit scarier, I'd love it.
Alright, guys, this is my last dart.
Okay, this isn't even a
Oh,
real...
yes, I hit it!
Okay, guys, this isn't even a real name, so I'm gonna say this. The Ranging Bot. Okay, I love the game, but one problem. When I try to record, it lags. Very, very rarely it crashes, but only crashes when I hit the button for extreme mode. But overall, very great game. Developer, well done for mobile.
I mean, I've never hit the extreme button because I'm too scared to.
Okay, guys, you know what I just got? It's ready to play.
Granny! You got Granny, didn't you?
Yeah, I got Granny. I'm gonna play with Granny, guys. I'm so scared.
You're gonna play with her?
Yeah.
No, girl, do not.
I'm going to.
She's
And
terrifying.
you're not going to help me.
Then you're gonna die. If it gets to an end scene, can you show me?
Yeah. I'm gonna play easy, guys.
But let's hope I pass this. All I need is the padlock key and then the master key. The master key's in here. So please, so hopefully the car key is in here, and then in the car is the melon, and then in the melon, in the car is the bird seed, and then in the in the safe, once we get the safe key, is the padlock key.
Yeah, okay, guys, I'm gonna read this. Tip: be quiet. She hears everything. Keep in mind that if you drop an object on the floor, it creates sound. Press and hold the remove button and free yourself from bear traps. Hide under beds or in cabinets. You have 5 days. Use headphones for the best experience.
Ooh, girl, that sounds terrifying.
Get out of there. You only have 5 days. All you need is in this house. And be quiet. She hears everything. And Granny is crazy. Good luck.
So you're actually playing with Granny?
Yeah.
What did you put?
I put easy.
Okay, good. I was like, wait, what did you put?
Day 1.
Day 1.
Here you go.
I doubt you're gonna escape.
Same. But I'm gonna die right away.
Yeah, you probably will.
You gotta have faith in me.
Okay, but I bet you're gonna die.
Alright, same.
But you might actually escape, but I doubt you're not gonna die.
Literally be right outside my door.
No, she always spawns in the basement. Just keep that in mind.
Okay. Press the arrow keys to play notes. Dude,
Don't go in a room.
I got the safe key.
this is like FNL.
As you guys just saw. I'm sorry if this is a very long video, but I'm gonna try my best.
Guys, don't go in a room.
I mean, Lacey, if you get to an end scene and I don't see it, it'll obviously be in recordings.
Yeah.
Well, the timing is weird. It feels super laggy.
Dang it!
Hold on. I can do that.
Wait, the padlock key might be in here.
Because it's making the game seem like it's...
I have never
So
escaped.
it's like very laggy when you press.
Yeah.
You just hear it and...
Dang it!
I wonder what happens if you die all
Alright,
5
I
days.
can do this song.
There's like an end scene.
Is this the ABC song? Or is
Like
it
with Granny, there's just an end scene. And it's supposed to be really scary.
Come on!
Hey
The
guys,
lag
there's
is
like
so
blood on
hard.
the walls, kind of.
That's because she kills people.
Your spine, it's just making
So,
me scream that
what'd you expect to be?
so hard time. Not that I'm like, you know,
Mustard?
an expert on rhythm game timing. I think I need to listen versus watch. Like I'm trying to. I don't know, man.
Let's place the board.
You know what it is?
I saw her, so I hid under my.
You actually saw her?
Yeah.
Dang it.
I'll have to listen,
I need the...
but I'm trying to time it with the
hammer.
notes that I'm hearing. Okay, that's what you need to watch the
She
screen.
just walked in.
Ignore
Cheap.
what's happening in your ears and only use your eyes.
Turn that down, dude.
Oh my goodness! If the
What?
other challenges are like
Dude, turn that down.
this game, yay! Oh, that's
Turn that down. Just turn it down.
just like trying to like.
And if it gets to like something that you think is gonna be scary,
Granny, I literally.
you just got really scared. I saw
leave
that.
a bad review on that.
No, it's optional if you want to play with her. It's not their fault.
Okay, guys. Day 2.
Okay, it's not their fault. Okay,
Guys, we're gonna do day 2.
it's not their fault.
I'm just gonna hide this picture.
Okay, it's not their fault.
Yeah.
It's yours.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I like this game, but
Beware.
beware, Granny does go jump scares.
Yeah, I read a review on that and it said Granny yeah, you did. Remember? What?
Oh, see, that's an apple,
Her again.
right?
He killed me again. Day 3.
It is.
Yeah.
Eh. Dang it, spark plug. At this point, I should just escape from the car.
What was that?
No, for real?
So I have like everything.
They saw it.
Yeah, they saw it. Probably.
I think maybe. Oh, it stopped recording.
It did?
Yeah, let's record it again.
Wait, what did I get? More cherries. Why is it all cherries? Okay, this one's like more tedious than that. Well, actually, I don't know. It's gonna take me less time.
Guys, day 3.
The other one,
Is probably gonna be the
here's a tricky.
scariest.
She's gonna
Yeah.
throw us a twist.
Because you don't know what you're in for. Dang it, I still need the padlock key.
Honestly, I'm just gonna quit here.
No, don't.
I can't play this.
Lacey, you can. You got this. You got this.
No, I have high anxiety. You know I have anxiety.
Lacey, you got this.
Like throw your hands up in the air.
Okay, I'm just gonna hide under my bed.
You're gonna throw your hands like what? And then you,
Probably your
then you
best
drop the
bet.
thing. There, 'cause you gotta hold
And then I'm
straight.
just gonna do this because I know I'm gonna die because she's gonna come in. So I'm just gonna do this.
You said you were gonna give it to me. I just want my keys.
Peaceful
back.
thoughts.
I need a key.
Let me know if I do
Can't
get
get to
help.
my house. Wait. What? An error?
Let's turn this down. 'Cause- oh yeah.
Oh my.
Let's turn it
No,
down.
no. This better be part of the game and I don't have to do that stupid thing again. I'm not doing FNF
I
again.
want to hear it. But yeah.
Oh, wait.
Let's-
Oh no.
let's
A new
do it.
regular
She walked
is
by,
for-
but she didn't come in.
for the next game? What if I don't?
She
Sorry,
did.
guys,
She
but
did. She did.
Alright, I got no choice. It literally ends in the
bye.
game. Are you kidding? Okay, wait.
sorry, but bye. I'll see you in another video.